Hey guys, welcome back to Hat Workshop, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this electrical wire tree that you can make from these old electrical wires, zip ties and heat shrink. Very easy to make and it looks great and cyberpunky. So let's get started. So to make this tree from electrical wires, I have this wire that is pretty thick in the middle where the black part is. But then when you split it out, inside there's a ton of wires that are also colorful, which is great for the tree to have more color than just red and black or something. I have plenty of this wire and I have even more on the ground. So we're just gonna quickly split the wires into each branch of the tree. So like small branches, medium branches, and then the main branches. And then we're gonna zip tie them together and then make a base. So let's get started. So I finished one branch. So basically in one branch there is one long branch, which is this one. It's gonna extend from the main bark of the tree, and then there's gonna be three little branches that extend from the main branch of the main branch. That is gonna be the leaves, you know. So basically how I did this is basically I just used the utility knife and split the cable in half and then pulled the cover out like this, as you can see. And then I just did like randomly like smack the wire on the floor to make it like spread out, because first when you take it out it's just gonna be like a straight tube. And then I just used a lighter to burn out the edge a bit so it like sticks together and doesn't come apart. I have heat shrink and I'll use that later. So now let me do the two more main branches and then we'll be doing the bark. So all the wire stripping is done, and now as you can see all the tiny wires inside of the big wire are exposed. So this is the main bark and these three sets are the branches, and now it's time to heat shrink everything so it stays in place, and then we'll almost be done. As you can see here, the heat shrink is all done on all of the wires, and now it's time to just use the zip ties I got and tie it all up into a tree. So 3 branches, 1 main stalk, and then we'll finish by making a wooden base. Wow, this is amazing. Just tying it up all together makes a whole different thing. So basically, the next step now is to use this piece of triangular wood, and I'm just going to drill a hole in it and then stick the tree right on. So as you can see here, the tree that is made from reused wires is now done, and it's very easy to make, and I'm really happy with how it looks. So yeah, the only materials you really need is zip ties, heat shrink, and the wire itself. So the wire itself is just old wire that I found lying around. I'm not sure what wire it is, but I think it's from a security system. And here is the tree itself. So as you can see, I just drilled a hole in the wood and then just sticked it in, put some hot glue as a filler, and it works fine. I didn't use resin or silicone because I was not patient enough. And yeah, I really liked how it turned out, and you could easily do this by yourself. You don't even need the wood as the base, you can just make the tree itself. It already looks cool. So if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.